welcome to another episode of the Horseman Channel. And first of all, please hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel. And got a treat. I told you guys I would be giving you updates on the 03 Termi build with my boy Keith. And that's where we're at today. So this is going to be fun. Check it out. This is the update so far. Look at this, guys. Motor's out. Look at this. Motor is out. Trans is out. Rear end, gas tank. That means all the goodies are going to start coming on and going in. We're going to mess around with the fuel system today. We're going to do, a lot of it's just kind of mapping out and seeing how we want to get it installed here. But progress is definitely happening. Yeah, so let's get started with this.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, getting straight, never stop, changed all the squads we have played, and I've got something to say. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in
All right, so also, just so you guys know, the motor's out. And Keith, shall we tell them, what's going in here? I think we should.
I kind of want to keep it secret, but I'll let them in on it.
Okay.
We're getting some custom ground Todd Warren cams for this baby.
So he informed me of this a couple days ago, and when he told me, I can't lie, guys, I'm getting a little scared for. I think he's coming for me because he's gonna get long tube headers. Cams are going in this thing. The VMP Gen 3R is gonna be on this thing. The fuel system. All the supporting mods. He is doing it right. So, and over here, just so you guys know, he separated the engine from the K member. This is the old one because this man went on ahead and bought a K member as well.
The BMR premium K member set up for the stock shocks.
Yes, so he doesn't have to get coilovers.
No coilovers, but yeah, we can run the stock shocks.
I'm truly impressed. He's doing everything how you're supposed to do it. When is this engine trying to get over there?
In about 2 to 3 weeks, cam should be in and we'll be getting put in. Hopefully I should have motor back in about a month or so.
Heck yeah. So I'm super stoked. Look at this little guy. This is cute. But now he's going to a VMP Gen 3R where everything's just massive. This thing's going to be a force to be reckoned with. Long tube headers, like I said, all of it. In this car, he's done it right. Everything. And see, this is how you do it, guys. The lift, it just makes life so much easier. But everything is, we're about to map out how we want to do it in here. The fuel system, it's just all going to be sick. So we're going to keep you guys posted as we go along here. But Keith, are you coming for anybody? This coming?
I'm just trying to have fun right now.
Yeah.
You never know.
I think he's doing more than having fun, guys. He's coming for me for sure. And I'm a little worried, but we'll keep you posted. Okay, so he's saying, guys, just so you guys know, with the VMP Gen 3 blowers, you're saying this here is always a problem, right?
Yeah, the coolant crossover, it is a known thing with that blower that you have to beat on this crossover tube to make it fit. I went with the Cobra Engineering crossover delete, and what's going to do with that is allow this to be all lines.
Flexible?
Yeah. PTF E lines or AN lines, or to be able to get rid of this, so it's not rigid, and kind of bring this over here and kind of remount the thermostat actually over here, which is normally on the Cobras, the thermostat is actually down here. So it allows for the thermostat to be ran up here, which then also allows you to do the cooling mod
Oh yeah.
and I can pipe in my cooling mod into the thermostat housing, which then I don't have to break into the heating.
Heater core.
The heating core.
Heater core. Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, guys, another thing I forgot to mention too is, I mean, yeah, he even got a new clutch, output shaft, right? Input shaft.
Input shaft. It'd be 26 spline input shaft.
New clutch.
RXT.
Twin disc.
Twin disc.
McLeod.
McLeod. Yes.
So like, yeah. So I think this right here is a big deal because I bet you a lot of Cobra owners, when they go to put that Gen 3 on, they deal with this. And I think that's a really good.
I think that took a lot of sales away from the VMP. A lot of people were not about to be pounding
right
on engine components.
Well, it's funny on the GT500. This is not like steel like this. It's all flexible.
Oh, okay.
So they must have learned. I see. Okay. Wow, that's awesome. Very cool. All right, guys, we'll keep you posted. I mean, guys, we're just, Keith's just over here buried in his mountain of aftermarket goodies. Right now we're getting the fuel stuff out here. I didn't mean to show you guys, but look at this. Look at this. This is the, I don't know if you can really see it. I only have one hand here. I'm moving this. But in there, I'll show you in a minute. In there, this box contains the K-member. Yep.
Hey, we'll break it out. We break all this stuff. I don't know.
So look at that. Look at this. Fuel lines, that. Look at this thing. K-member.
DMR. K-member. Right there.
Golly. Our fuel system, boys.
And this is this one's actually the cooling mod for the
Freeze plugs?
rear. Yeah, for the freeze plugs in the rear there.
Okay. The Vision X, boys. This is a nice fuel system. Sick, but yeah. Is the blower still in the back? It's in the Cobra, isn't it? The back of the car?
The blower is actually in the shop. And I keep telling myself, what? Why is that not inside?
One of the most treasured pieces. Is that all we pretty much need?
I'm not sure. So the fuel hats. Okay, here we go.
Perfect.
We need this for sure.
Well, yep. All right. Yep, that's what we need there. Got that. Got that. Getting everything ready here, boys. What you got? What you playing with over there?
Okay. This is Jacob asked me. He's like, "Did you get a new tensioner?" I said, "Yes, I did." Because we're gonna have more horsepower, and we gotta keep that belt
Nice and tight, so you don't get no slip.
This baby right here. Check that beefy baby out. Right
Dang, that thing is heavy and wow. Hold on here, guys. Look at
that
this.
is $500.
Oh, are you serious?
For that.
Dang. Look at this thing. What is that? Okay. So, American Racing Solutions. That is a tensioner, guys. My gosh. Okay.
We don't need no slippage.
No slippage. $500 piece right here, boys. Beautiful, though. Whoo. That's sick. Oh.
There's more here.
Do you? You think there's more here? I couldn't tell. Guys, all these boxes this is all Cobra stuff, guys. I mean, it's like Christmas in March.
Hey, when you the daddy.
Right.
Christmas can be any day you want it to be.
That is accurate.
Any day. You wake up in the morning.
That's Christmas.
Is it Christmas? It can be. Okay, here's the Cobra engineering stuff.
Okay.
All right, I'll bring this over. This is it right here.
All right, let's do that. This man said, when he wakes up, it's Christmas. If I woke up and came into this room every morning, I'd be like, yeah, it's Christmas. It's Christmas. Dang, I can't believe that. Wow. That's beautiful.
This setup right here, let's see, for this part was, this part was like $650. This was like $200. So just to delete the crossover.
Oh, okay.
This is Cobra Engineering. I forget the guy's name is like James or something. You gotta look him up. Cobra Engineering.
Okay, Cobra Engineering.
He's got some nice stuff. This is it right here, man.
So that's for the freeze plug stuff?
So the freeze plug stuff is right here.
Okay.
This is all for cooling mods right here. This goes in the rear, which can all feed into the thermostat. This goes in the front of each head.
Okay.
And this, instead of the thermostat being on the lower part of the motor,
Now it gets moved up top?
gets moved up top,
Okay.
which then you get rid of the middle tube that goes down to the thermostat down at the bottom.
Okay.
This goes to the degas tank or overflow
Right.
of what you would call. And then this goes to the bottom of the radiator. This goes to the oil cooler.
Okay. 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 A lot of remounting stuff, rerouting things, and honestly, it makes it so much easier in the future for working on it or anything like that. Like even right now, guys, when we do the fuel system, we're going to be relocating technically the fuel filter. Yes. So because right now the 0304 Terminator fuel filters, it looks to be almost on top of the rear end. Like you got to take the rear end almost out of there to get to it.
Right.
So this is going to be way better. Fuel system, everything's like, yeah. So we're about to have some fun, boys and ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, we'll keep you posted. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to do the outro here. We didn't get as far as we wanted to tonight because some of the stuff was missing. We got the socks that are in his car. And unfortunately, the wife is gone in that car. However, we did get the float and the new hat pretty much assembled here. Like I said, we do need the socks on it. This is the old hat. We pulled it out of the tank here. And now
Sending units on there.
Sending unit is on there. We're excited to get really the mapping process. So yeah, it's going to get done. Unfortunately, he's about to go to work here for a little while, but we're going to keep you all posted on this build because yeah, it's going to be awesome. We're just making sure sometimes it's baby steps at a time. Sometimes it's kind of the mapping and the thinking of what we're going to do, getting the action plan ready, and then you execute the action plan. So, yep, getting the gasket on there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That will conclude pretty much part 2 of the Cobra build right now. However, part 3 will be coming probably a couple weeks because you're going to be working for a while here. But it will be a couple weeks. We'll get part 3 out. But yeah, going from there. So as always, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. And as always, what's in your staples? Catch you on the next video.
My chest and it squeezed till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I rock in a hard place? Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.